Hey, Jim Bergman on behalf of AccuTools. Wanted to take a minute today and go over a new product. And a lot of times they say if it's not broke, don't fix it. But in this case, fixed is actually a good thing. And then we're talking about it as fixed ends. So if you've used TruBlu hose, which is by far the best vacuum hose in the industry, low, very high conductance speed, very good moisture resistance, very good flexibility, but sometimes a little bit awkward to get into tight places, right? Because you got a KF fitting on both ends, and a lot of times once these hoses are set up, in fact, we tell you, once you set up your hose, you don't really have to take it apart again. Large KF fitting on one end, stainless steel fitting on the other, sometimes hard to get into places, and once you have it set up, you don't need to change it. So a lot of people out there were asking for a hose with one fixed end, and the one fixed end is a 3/8 fixed end. And this 3/8 fixed end will fit very easily right onto your vacuum pump and without having any clearance issues or anything like that. So if you're working on close to the handle, or you're working close to the filter, or you're working on a fuel piece pump where you have two 3/8 ports really close together, this is going to allow you to get in there very easily, but still gives you that flexibility of having a KF fitting on the other end where we can put on the straight fitting or we can put on the 90-degree fitting. That 90 is great for getting into mini splits and things where it's really tight. I mean, if you come over here and take a look at this way the fitting goes, a straight hose just doesn't want to fit up in there very easily all the time. And this 90 allows us to get it in and pull from the side without any problem at all. So allows us a lot more flexibility to get in there and do that. Now, the other thing that they did along with the new kits in there is, in fact, this is one of the kits. I got one of the hoses out of here. We'll just show you here. The kit has a couple of the core depressors in there, so if you're using the large flow cores, you can use those easily. It's going to have your core tools in there. It's going to have two 90s, two straights, 2.5 meter long hoses. There are now kits that have in them the fixed end hose just with a single hose evacuation with the micron gauge in them. So you can order them now with the micro included and have a small, nice kit that does everything you need to do. They come in both the 5/16 and the 1/4 inch fitting. So everything you need to do is a single hose evacuation. For most residential guys, that's the perfect kit. If you're doing any like commercial stuff, rooftop units, doing a lot of service work, we want to pull from both sides, the 2-hose kit's the way to go, and that's going to get you there. But if you're an installer, single hose kits are really a great way to get started. And it's what we call the minimalist kit for BlueVac, so you get all the features of the BlueVac app, along with the new fixed end hose. So if you want to buy these hoses, TruTech has a complete stock of them, TruTechTools.com. That's the place to get them. And this is Jim with AccuTools. Thanks a lot for watching.